Hey, what's up YouTube people? I did something crazy. I bought a drone. This is a Ruko, not to be confused with Roku, F11GIM2 drone. Figured I would take y'all along for the whole journey, including unboxing. And then, as with every new toy, first step is to let it charge. So, I just got done cleaning my car for 4 hours, so I'm pretty hungry. So I figured I would unbox it and let it charge while I eat, and then we can go check it out together. So, struggle. All comes in a fancy bag. So there's a carrying case with this unit. Comes with everything you need. Spread it around. So let's open up the case and see what we got. All right, got a controller. This extends and your phone sits right in there. So you use your phone as the screen. I think it comes with interchangeable plugs. This is a USB-C. I have an iPhone. I need a lightning connector, but my understanding is that it's here in the box. Here's the drone itself. This one comes with 3 batteries, which was one of the main reasons I bought this one over some of the more expensive ones like DJI, because they only come with 1 battery, and that doesn't seem like a whole lot. So I can tell you that most of the weight of the drone is right here in these batteries, because this and this, they're about the same, honestly. Anyway, so first step, plug in these batteries, let them charge all the way, and then we'll go try flying it. I'll be honest, it makes me nervous. It'll be my first time, so. If you're seeing this, you know it didn't go terribly wrong, because I wouldn't post it if it did, so. Be back soon. Pretty easy, I guess. Christina.
But I can't see it. You don't understand. I don't even know if it's in my sights, is what I'm telling you. I can't see it on the screen. I'm telling you right now, I have no clue if it's on the screen. So if it's not in the shot, I'm sorry. Oh, I see it again. It's like the size of a bug to me. This is so far zoomed out. How fast does it go?
I think it's on normal.
instant communication, telephone. 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 Telephone.